Hey Wargamers, Josh here with Wargames Delivered, and today we're going to be doing something a little bit different. We're going to be taking a look at the gaming table that I'm building. I've been working on this gaming table for a while now, and I've made quite a few mistakes, but I'm working on fixing them, and it's coming along nicely. So why don't you come join me, and we'll go check it out. I started out with a piece of 4 foot by 8 foot pink construction foam, and I threw a layer of celluclay on it to create all of my features. I went ahead and primed it, and when I primed it, I used a spray can primer, and it caused the entire board to warp. You can see it here. I'm going through and I'm attaching legs to the base, getting a frame in place to try and correct that bend. Once I was happy with the frame on it, I went through and I pulled out my airbrush to do some detailing, decided that was going to take me too long, and just started dumping the colors of paint that I wanted all across it and going after it with a large brush to get into the cracks and crevices. I used 3 colors. I used a burnt umber, a khaki color, and then a mid-tone brown. I used almost 3 whole bottles of craft paint to do up this 4 foot by 6 foot table. Once I was done with the base coat of paint, I went in with some Mod Podge and some small stones in varying colors to do the underside of my river, and I used a dark gray ballast for the gravel. Once I was happy with my path and my stream, I moved on to doing the grass as I applied different shades of grass in varying textures here, varying colors to get variation. I also left some spots bare to showcase the rock and dirt underneath. Make sure to check us out at www.wargamesdelivered.com, link in the description below, so you can make sure you can take advantage of our buy 6 get 3 free promo we've got running on all Army Painter paints right now. As I was laying through the different colors flocking over the browns of the board, I was really starting to enjoy the way that this looks, and I am getting super excited to take this one to the tabletop. I can't wait to see what armies look like marching across this. Thank you guys so much for joining me. I hope you guys had as much fun on this build as I did. I hope to bring more great videos like this in the future, and I hope for this board to make another appearance sometime soon. As always, I'm Josh. This is Wargames Delivered. We'll see you on the tabletop.